And one of the final point that it touches on the ebook is actually adopting the lifestyle. Premium preps is a lifestyle. We talk about this because, people get too caught up on a short-term goal, a 30 pounds in 30 days. And, after that, it kind of fizzles out. Or if they don't hit that goal, they quit and they feel like they can't do it. So you got to set yourself up with a long runway. And what do we mean? Give yourself enough space to, make some errors and be able to bounce back from them and not get off course because you're not putting so much pressure on a time frame. Change, it takes a lot of time, and adapting to new behaviors takes time. And this is no different, guys. So give yourself some runway, adapt the behaviors, and let go of other people's opinions about what you're doing. You're doing it for you. You're the one that matters. You know what you want. You deserve to be happy no matter what that looks like to other people. So adapt the lifestyle, make it a part of who you are, enjoy the process, and share it with others.